What's going on, guys? I wanted to come on here quickly and kind of walk through something I've been working on for the last couple weeks. I've been a Jeep guy for the past 7 years. I had a Wrangler and had such a fun time just kind of building it up, looking at parts, got to meet some really cool people and take it on some fun trips. Unfortunately, that era is over. I sold the Jeep and onto something new. I just needed something a little more practical, hauling gear, driving long distances, bikes, snowmobiles, stuff like that. So this is the Chevy Silverado. This is a 2018. It's a 5.3 V8 LT Z71. This is the graphite metallic color. So it's got body matched bumpers, mirrors, handles, everything like that. Yeah, I've had the truck now for about a month and a half, and then the build kind of came together in the last couple days. So I'll walk you through that. Went with the 18-inch Primm wheels from Rhino. These are gloss black with the brass bolts, and these are wrapped in a Toyo Open Country AT3. This is a 275/65 R18 tire. And then coming inside we have the ReadyLift 4-inch SST kit. So this kit is super awesome at you don't have to cut into your truck. A lot of the lift kits, you know, you're cutting into your truck, and I just didn't really want to do that right away. So I went with this kit because there was no cutting. Still comes with upper control arms and ball joints. And it's got a skid plate underneath, which is super nice. Moving towards the back, we did an airbag setup from AirLift. This is the LoadLifter 5000 setup. It's got onboard air, so there's a compressor under the frame. The airbags just get sandwiched between your rear axle and the frame, and they help with just kind of managing whatever weight you have in the back of your truck. So snowmobiles, heavy trailers, will squat your truck down, and the airbags just help kind of recorrect that geometry and help your truck ride the way it should. So it's a super nice setup. It's all dialed into an app through Bluetooth, so you can control the pressure from in the cab, and then also it manages the pressure on its own. So changes in temperature, altitude are going to affect how much pressure is in the airbags. The system will manage it on its own, and you don't have to keep kind of manually filling them up or taking air out, which is really, really nice. The whole, kind of build was focused around this Marlon Xplore II Sled Deck. This is the 2022 Xplore II 7-foot deck from Marlon. You can hold 2 snowmobiles on here. You can hold an ATV, side-by-sides. I'm going to use it mostly for snowmobiles. So, but yeah, this really isn't a year-round product. So the sides extend, so you can either do 2 sleds on either side. You can put one in the middle. They're all locked down here with super clamps, so you're not dealing with ratchet straps and stuff like that. It's all tied into LEDs. It ties right into the truck, so brake lights, reverse lights. It's got lights in the headache rack, so you can see the deck at night, whether it's early in the morning or late at night if you're loading up. All of that is tied into just a simple 4-pin trailer plug, so super easy. Just run right through your tailgate, connect it. You can hardwire it if you want. I chose not to. So yeah, this deck is really awesome. You can kind of look in here and see how it's all set up. But really adjustable. All of these legs go up and down for the height of your box, and then lengthwise too. So if you have a 6-foot, 7-foot, 8-foot bed, this will fit all of those. I think it goes all the way down to a 5.5-foot bed is the shortest you can go with it. So really universal deck, which is really nice. You can transfer it between trucks. A lot of the decks you can't do that with, so super awesome there. This comes with the super glides on top. It's all aluminum, so you don't have to worry about replacing plywood, doing anything like that. Like I said, there's super clamps up there, which also lock, so if you're driving through the city, you don't have to worry about your stuff getting stolen. 10-foot extendable ramp here that latches onto this rear bar like this. So super nice. A lot of guys have 6 or 8-foot ramps and they end up being really steep. So the 10-foot ramp gives you a little more flexibility on the approach angle. You don't have to hit it like you're gonna jump the whole truck. So that's nice. It's got under the deck has has LED lights based on this switch here, so you can still see all of the gear you have in your bed. It's all weather sealed, so you don't have to worry about dust or snow getting in there, which is nice. Driving long distances, if you have bags or whatever you got back here, it's not going to get all wet. So covers the bed like that. And I think that's about it. So let me know if you guys have any questions. I'll put all the specs in the details of this video. Yeah, let me know what you think. Stoked to share what we get into with this thing this year, and yeah, should be a good time.